हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। और आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ प्रोकैरियोट और यूकैरियोट के बीच में डिफरेंस। डिफरेंट फीचर्स को लेके, जहाँ तक सेल साइज की बात है, प्रोकैरियोट में एवरेज डायमीटर इज 0.5 to 5 माइक्रोमीटर और यूकैरियोट में अप टू 40 माइक्रोमीटर। प्रोकैरियोट, it is unicellular or filamentous, and eukaryote is unicellular, filamentous और truly multicellular। जहां तक जेनेटिक मटेरियल की बात है, in case of prokaryote there is circular DNA lying naked in the cytoplasm. There is no true nucleus or chromosome, no nucleolus। और यूकैरियोट में there is linear DNA associated with proteins and RNA to form chromosomes within a nucleus. Nucleolus is present in nucleus. थर्ड फीचर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस। प्रोकैरियोट के अंदर there is 70s ribosomes, that is smaller. There is no endoplasmic reticulum involved. Many other details of protein synthesis different, including susceptibility to antibiotics. For example, prokaryotes inhibited by streptomycin. दूसरी तरफ यूकैरियोट में there is 80s ribosome which is large, and ribosome may be attached to endoplasmic reticulum. जहां तक organelles की बात करें हम, we have few organelles in case of prokaryote, and none are surrounded by and involve two membranes. Internal membrane scars is present, usually associated with respiration or photosynthesis. If we talk about organelles in case of eukaryote, we have many organelles. For example, involved bound organelles present, that is nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, and we have great diversity of organelles bounded by single membrane. For example, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, vacuoles, microbodies, endoplasmic reticulum। जहाँ तक हम सेल वॉल की बात करते हैं, प्रोकैरियोट में there is rigid and contain polysaccharides with amino acids. Murin is main strengthening compound. In case of eukaryote, cell walls of green plants and fungi rigid and contains polysaccharides. Cellulose is main strengthening compound of plant walls, and chitin cell wall that is present in fungi. अगर हम फ्लैजला की बात करते हैं, it's a simple lacking microtubules and extracellular, which is not enclosed by cell surface membrane in case of prokaryote. Eukaryotes में flagella is a complex with 9+2 arrangement of microtubules. It is intracellular, which is surrounded by cell surface membrane, which is 200 nanometer in diameter. Respiration की बात करते हैं, in case of prokaryote there is a mesosome in bacteria, except cytoplasmic membrane in blue-green algae. And in case of eukaryote, there is a mitochondria for aerobic respiration. And if we talk about photosynthesis, in case of prokaryote, there is no chloroplast. Photosynthesis takes place on membrane which show no stacking. But in case of eukaryote, there is chloroplast which contains membrane which are usually stacked into lamella or grana. And the last feature, which is nitrogen fixation. In case of prokaryote, some have the ability, and in case of eukaryote, none have the ability. So these were different features which differentiate.